In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer a car title in Kentucky. So first things first, you have to make sure the seller completes the Kentucky Certificate of Title with the assignment section filled out correctly and signed by both buyer and seller. If the title was issued before February 2000, you'll also need the VTR form TC 96182 notarized. Next, you have to gather and bring some requirements and documents to your county clerk's office, including your completed title, clear of liens with signatures. Also, your buyer's proof of insurance in their name. And lastly, your social security number for all owners listed. Or you can also use or bring federal ID for businesses. If the title uses and between names, everyone must sign. Take your documents and payment for fees and taxes to your county clerk's office where the buyer lives. They'll process the transfer and update the title in your name. Kentucky requires the title transfer within 15 days of purchase. And if insurance isn't ready, you may be able to do a title only transfer, but you must often surrender plates. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!